Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter motor. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable to prevent electrical shorts. Gather your tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a jack with jack stands. Always work on a level surface, ensuring your vehicle is securely supported. The starter is usually a cylindrical component, often found on the engine block where it meets the transmission housing. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Now let's access the starter. Safely raise your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands, providing ample working space underneath. Once you've located the starter, you'll see two main electrical connections. First, disconnect the large main power wire, usually secured with one nut. Then, detach the smaller solenoid wire, which often has a push-on connector. Always handle these wires carefully, noting their positions to ensure correct reassembly. This step is crucial for isolating the starter from the electrical system. With the electrical connections detached, it's time for removal. The starter is typically held in place by 2 or 3 mounting bolts. Use the appropriate socket and ratchet to loosen and remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, carefully wiggle and pull the old starter free from its housing. Before installing the new unit, clean the mounting surface to ensure a good connection. Then, position the new starter, aligning it correctly, and hand tighten the mounting bolts to secure it in place. For the final steps, ensure all connections are secure. Fully tighten the 2 or 3 starter mounting bolts to the manufacturer's recommended torque specifications. Next, reconnect the smaller solenoid wire and then the larger main power wire, ensuring both are snug and free from any looseness. Finally, reattach the negative battery cable to your vehicle's battery. Once everything is connected, lower your vehicle and attempt to start it. A successful start confirms your new starter is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.